Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to create Windows 10 USB bootable without any software. So, first of all, you have to open the command prompt run as administrator. So here your first command is disk part. It helps you manage your computer's drives like disks, partitions, volumes, etc. Now you can check the connected disk using the list disk command. Now I connected my USB drive with my PC. Now again the same command, now you can check the all connected drives. So you have to be careful here, check your USB disk number. In your case it would be disk 1, but in my case, it is disk 2. It depends on how many drives connected to your computer. Now using this command select your disk. Now using this command clear all the configuration information from your disk. Now next command is to create partition primary. Now we have to active the partition using active command. Now we have to format the partition using this command. Now assign a drive letter or mount point to the partition using assign command. That is it, now our USB drive is bootable. Now we have to simply open the download ISO file of Windows 10 and copy to USB drive. That is it. This is the way how to create Windows 10 USB bootable without any software. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you very much, see you in next video.